Hello, my dear children. Good morning, all of you. Today, for class 9, trigonometrical ratios of standard angle. Trigonometrical ratio already you have learned in first video. Now, we will discuss on standard angle. See the board: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. These are the 5 standard angle and 6 ratio. That means in total 30 values you have to remember. There is a shortcut method that is I am showing you. Please pay your full attention. After writing the angles in this way, then you have to take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After taking this, then each you have to divide by 4. This. After that, you have to take the square root of each in this way. After that, we have to simplify. By simplification, it is coming 0 and this is coming root 1 by root 2 square, and this is by cancellation it is coming root 1 by root 2, and this is that is root 3 by root 2 square. This and this will be cancelled, so it is coming 1. Then more simplify it will be this will be 1 and root and square will be eliminated, so this is half. Then it is 1 by root 2 and this is root 3 by 2 and this is 1. In this way, what values we are getting, that is for sine. That is sine 0 degree, 0, sine 30 degree half, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree root 3 by 2, sine 90 degree that is 1. Okay. If you take the reversely, then this value will be for cos. Reversely, that means 90 will be 1 for 0, 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, half and 0. In this way, what values we are getting, that is for cos. That is cos 0 degree 1, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 half and cos 90 0. After knowing these two, other 4 ratio easily you will get. See, suppose tan 30 degrees values you want to know. We know very well sine 30 degree, that is tan 30 degree equal to sine 30 degree by cos 30 degree. Sine 30, value of sine 30 degree, that is half, and value of cos 30 degree root 3 by 2. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled, then the value of tan 30 degree will be 1 by root 3. In this way, other ratio easily you will get. Suppose cosec 45 degree, that is 1 by sine 45 degree, sine 45 degree. Suppose tan 60 degree, that is in this way. Cos 60 degree, that is cos by sine. In this way, all the values you will get. If you understand the finding the values, then easily you will find the values of this. That is, the sum is given this. After writing the sum in this way, you already learn how you have to find out the values. After that, just you have to put the value and simplify. Tan 30 degree, that is 1 by root 3 whole square. Sine 60 degree, that is root 3 by 2 whole square, and cos 60 degree, that is half, and square is given, so whole square, plus 3 by 4 tan 60 degree, that is root 3 whole square, minus 2 into tan 45 degree, that is 1. This. After that, we have to simplify. 4 by 3 into 1 by 3 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 into 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 into 3 minus 2. After that, 4 by 9 plus 3 by 4. This is 3 by 4 plus 9 by 4 minus 2. This will be cancelled. Simplify values, if you remember, then other things will be very simple. Then we have to take the LCM. LCM of this, that is remaining this part, this and this. LCM is 36. Then 36 divided by 9, that is 4. 4 into that is 16, and that is 39 into 9, that is 81, minus this is 72, equal to, that is 97. 97 minus 72 divided by 36, equal to, that is 25 divided by 36. This is the answer. I think it is clear. Okay, next sum, try to understand. Sum number 2 you will try at home. Sum number 3, that is tan 3x equal to this. We have to find the value of x. Tan 3x equal to sin 45 degree, that is 1 by root 2, and cos 45, that is also 1 by root 2, and plus sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree, that is half. So this into this, that is half plus half, that is equal to 1. So tan 3x equal to tan 45, that is 1. In place of 1 we may write tan 45 degree. Tan will be cancelled. Therefore 3x equal to 45 degree. Therefore x equal to 15. The value of x is 15. I think it is clear. Very simple. Just you have to remember the formula. Next two sums you must try at home. You have to remember for finding the values for standard angle. Okay, thank you everybody.